there a tornado?
No, I don't see a tornado. I don't. I don't see a tornado. I'm. No, I didn't even get an alert. There was no warning.
We just gotta hear the guy.
What guy? There's literally no...
It's dying down.
I don't know. Maybe there was a tornado spotted because it went that way. But I don't see anything. That's really weird. And the sun's out over here. That's crazy. Well, the sirens stopped. I don't know if maybe there was a water spout spotted over Lake Erie. I don't know. But there's... I don't know. Huh. I never got a tornado warning on my phone or my tornado radio. Huh. That's really weird.